Hi there and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Raluca. I've done a lot of floating liners recently, but I've seen this picture online of Gabxxrielle and I just can't. I have to recreate that. It's so beautiful. Like, look at that. Intense, it's blue, it's gorgeous, and mostly I love the fact that it's so intense on the actual lid. It's blue and everything, and on the lower lash line she has absolutely nothing, not even mascara. And I think that looks absolutely amazing. So I'm going to do that today. I'm just going to do my eyes on camera and I'm going to do my face last because I just can't stand blue fallout. I feel like it's the worst fallout ever. Like, if a drop of blue eyeshadow falls on your face, it's over. So I'm going to do my eyes first in order to avoid that. So let's get started. First I'm going to prime and I'm just going to use some concealer. I'm not actually going anywhere today, so I don't need this eyeshadow to be very long lasting. I just want it to look good for pictures. And concealer works, but doesn't make the eyeshadow last as long as an actual eyeshadow primer does. This is the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. I got it in my hair. And I am blending this in using... this is the Makeup Addiction large shader brush. This is a little bit too big for me to use for eyeshadow, but I like using it for concealer. I'm just going to carefully blend it into my skin. I really like this Plot Twist shade from the Nikkie Tutorials palette to use in my crease for blue looks, because it's very light and works great in my crease. So I'm going to take this one on a Juvia's Place 007 and I'm going to apply this all over my crease. Now for the lid, I'm going to pick up my Morphe palette in collaboration with James Charles. I haven't used this baby in such a long time. This used to be my favorite palette because it's so versatile. It has a lot of shades that you can choose from. I'm going to take this shade, this blue teal light shade. I'm going to see if I need to lighten things up a little bit with this one. And I'm just going to pack this shade on my lid, starting from the base of my lashes and working my way towards the crease, fading it into the crease. And when I reach my crease, I'm just going to fade things by applying less pressure on the brush. And you can take your previous brush and go over the edge to make sure that the colors are well blended together. To deepen my outer corner a little bit, I'm just going to mix this shade that I used with this darker blue. And that I'm going to apply just on my outer corner. And this is a Morphe M507 brush. And with the blending brush, I'm really fading this edge. I feel like I need to lighten the blue on the lid a little bit. So I'm using the shade that I used on my lid and actually mixing it with a little bit of white to make it more pastel looking. Let's see how that goes. I did the liner on this eye, and for that I used the Sephora collection Colorful Special Effect liquid eyeshadow. This one is in the shade 5. And I'm going to take an angled brush like this. This one is from Essence. It's just an eyeliner brush. Picking up the product on the brush and stop talking because I need to focus. Starting from the other corner, I'm just going to try to explain to you guys what I'm doing. So starting from the other corner, I always keep my eyes open when I'm doing a wing liner. Especially this kind of a shape, because I want to see how the end result is going to look like. And I'm going to take it across my entire lid, all the way to my inner portion. I'm also going to do an inner corner wing, but first I need to do my face because I usually apply concealer here. As you can see, I have a bit of discoloration and I usually conceal that. Doing this kind of a line above my crease, connecting it to the liner and extending it towards the center of my eye. But this line is much higher than my actual crease is. And I'm going to stop right here in the center of my eyelid. And now I'm just going to perfect it. I'm curling my lashes before applying a little bit of mascara. I'm using the Real Magnet mascara by Benefit. And I'm also going to apply false lashes, but I think I'm going to keep those just in the other corner of my eye. I applied some half lashes that I've made myself. I have these bands here that I ordered from Wish, and I cut them in half, and after cutting them in half I just put them one half over the other so they look a little bit more dense, and this is the result. And I'm just going to apply this on my eye like I did here. Okay, I did my face off camera and now I can finish that inner corner wing. I already applied some highlighter in my inner corner, so I won't spoil the wing with the highlighter. I'm going to take this liquid eyeshadow again from Sephora collection on the same brush that I used to do the liner. I will flatten the brush by taking the excess product on my hand, and now I will just extend my eye with this shadow. Since I'm leaving the lower lash line bare, this is the finished look. I really like how the lid is so intense and the lower lash line is bare. I think I'm going to try this more often with different colors. I really hope you enjoyed how the look came out. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already. Thank you so much for 700 subscribers. And thank you as well for watching today's video. I hope you're having an amazing day and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!